In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to FreshBooks. Adding your logo is a quick way to make your invoices, estimates, and client communications look professional and on brand. I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to click, and I'll share a few simple tips so your logo looks crisp and clean once it's in place. First, open your browser and go to your FreshBooks account, then log in. Make sure you're on a trusted network and using a secure connection. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings. If your menu is collapsed, it may appear as a small gear icon. Just expand the sidebar if needed. Settings is where FreshBooks keeps all of your account-level controls, including how your brand appears on client-facing documents. Inside Settings, choose Brand Appearance. This section is dedicated to your visual identity. It controls elements like your logo and the way it shows up on invoices and estimates. So this is the right place to make your business feel consistent and recognizable. On the brand appearance page, find the logo area usually presented as a card or panel on the right and click Select a File. This opens your computer's file picker, so you can choose the image you want to upload. For best results, use a high-quality PNG or JPG. A PNG with a transparent background often looks the most polished because it blends seamlessly with FreshBooks templates. Aim for a clear, not too large image, something around 500 to 1000 pixels wide. Typically renders well without slowing anything down. If your logo looks fuzzy after upload, it's usually because the source image is too small or overly compressed, so try a higher resolution version. After you select your file, FreshBooks will upload it and typically show a preview so you can see how it will appear. If it doesn't look the way you expect, maybe it's too wide, too tall, or the background color clashes, simply cancel and choose a different version of your logo that's better sized or has a transparent background. Some accounts save these changes automatically. If you see a prompt to save, go ahead and confirm to lock in your update. That's it. Your logo will now appear on invoices, estimates, and other client-facing documents across your FreshBooks account. If an upload fails, double-check the file type and size, and try a standard PNG or JPG. Keeping a clean, high-resolution logo handy makes future updates fast and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly branded FreshBooks experience.